So, kung introvert ka at nagtatrabaho ka na sa corporate, sa BPO, or you have a regular job, why going out is good for you, okay? And why talking to other people, connecting with other people is good for you. Okay. So, basically, kung first time mo magtrabaho or you've been an introvert for quite some time, nag-move ka ng bagong company or first time mo mag-work first job mo, congratulations ha. Okay, so you have to ensure you do your best to connect. Alam ko mahirap sa umpisa kasi basically hindi ka sanay sa maraming tao, hindi ka sanay makipag-socialize, hindi ka sanay na makipag-usap, nakaka-drain, nakakapagod yung yung you spend time with other people and minsan walang kwenta or doesn't make sense yung pinag-uusapan or doesn't entice you and you rather just stay home and probably pag nasa bahay ka just shut up and or shut up pag nasa trabaho ka and you rather just not talk to other people. You rather save your time, save your energy. Kasi nga, madadrain ka nga eh. Mauubos nga yung energy mo. So, but I want to tell you that trying to connect with other people, trying to talk to them, trying to care for them genuinely, and try to bond, socialize with them. Even just commit ka lang at least few minutes of your time and then it's gonna expand is gonna be good for you. Why? Okay? So why it's good for you? Basically, it's good for them too. Okay? It's good for them first. But ultimately, it's also good for you. Why? Kasi you're not only doing something good for other people, doing good deeds to other people, you're also doing good deeds sa sarili mo. Kasi they're basically missing you out, okay? They're missing you out kung wala ka dun sa circle nila, kung wala ka dun sa environment nila, kung wala ka dun sa friendship nila, kung wala ka dun sa buhay nila. They're missing you out kasi you're supposed to do something good which you're not doing because you're not connecting with them.